In this video, we are going to create an AI-based text generator for your website without any code, without any documentation, only using this simple free WordPress plugin. So let's get on to it. The first thing you need to do is follow the first link in the description box, which will be redirected to this particular tool. So this is the Maker WP plugin to create AI tools based on text. So they have two options to buy. First is the free version, which includes the branding. They include their own logo or a text contextual link, and there is a pro without any branding. So you can customize colors, etc. So these two things are available for you if you want to create without any brand. If you want to try this out, just follow this button of free version, click on the add to cart and place the order. And after you make the order, you will redirect it to this particular page of Gumroad. And after that, you need to just click on the download and you have a downloaded file. So go to your WordPress blog dashboard and going to the plugins, click on add new plugin and click on upload and choose the file. There you go, and click on install. That's how easy it is. So how does it work? So to make it work, it is OpenAI based text generator. So you need a OpenAI's API key. So to do that, you need to go to the platform.openai.com and there you will need to set up your payment method, and after that you need to generate your API key. And I think this is pretty standard and you know how to do that. So after activating the plugin, I'm going to copy my API key just like here and going to the Maker settings, just click on the Maker settings. You don't need anything else, just your API key. Click on save settings and now going to the tools. So these have only basic three options here: tools and create a new tools. Whatever you will create will be available here, and there is a create new tool. So in this particular section, you will create a AI text generator. So how does it work? Let me give you an example of ChatGPT. So whenever you input a prompt, or I will say ask something ChatGPT, and it reply back, right? And same way it works like that. So you need a user input, and using that user input, you have to optimize your prompt and give the answers. So how to do that? Let me give you an example here. So this is a website where we have posted this free tool called AI insult generator. So in this page, user has to input two things. This is a drop down menu, which is the mode. Like it is about the AI insult generator. It generates insult based on the inputs. So these are the inputs that is posted here, like a mode, VT, sophisticated. That's how this is the mode you need to get, just like you want to create something like AI text generator or something grammar checker or something like that. So there is a brief inputs. So brief input is something you get from the user input. Okay, for example, I want a mode of VT to best friends. So I want to insult my best friend in a VT mode. So if you click on the submit, it will revert back 5 different insults based on the input I have given. So that's how these tools work, right? And to get the inspiration, you should go ahead and search in the Google and you will find tons of AI generators based on this. And some examples are like AI Instagram captions generator, and there will be AI Instagram bio generator, or something like calculators if you want to generate some GST invoices, some goods and services tax invoice, and you want to input from the user and let the AI do that for you. So this is the some example that I want you to imagine and put on your website. So here is the create a new tool section. So how does it work? First of all, you need to give an AI tool name. So to do that, let me input this free AI Instagram caption generator. So I will give you an idea how and what type of generators you can actually create using this. It's not only based on the text or SEO based categories, but if you have a niche, something like a dog, for example, here we have doglife.com. We have built a tool for this particular website, and there is a tool. So there is a dog BMI calculator, can dog this tool. So whenever someone enter the food, it will generally analyze the data from the AI and give you the answer. So that's how you can do it with your own niche. So this is the power of this particular free software, and it gets tons of clicks on your website because everyone wanted the tool and everyone to link the tool on their website. So you will get a lot of backlinks also. So going to the create new tool. So let me give this tool name free AI Instagram caption generator. So I'm just copying that as a description. So you can also add a description, or you can add a tutorial that what you need to do to make this particular tool work. And next is the field type. So this is a different type of field type. First, for this to work, free AI Instagram caption generator, we need a tone of creating a caption. Okay, and for that part we need a drop down, and for the drop down you just need to click on the drop down, click on the add field. So there are different add fields you need to add. This is the options here. And for the name, you can add just tone, just like that. And let me just add this. And label are the text which defines the user input. So this is the name and this is the label. So name will be used as an variable. So if you are into coding, you know what the variable is all about. So label will be the tone and the options. So there are different types of options you need to include, like I have included it here. So there are different types of options here, and you can also include that into your tool. So it should be separated by the comma. And there are different types of tone, like casual, witty, funny, professional, conversational. So I'm just taking these 5s just for example, because you can do the imagination how you you want to create that. And this is the first input I want to include. So next is the caption. The thing about the AI Instagram caption is there can be a one-liner caption, there can be a paragraph of captions, there can be a two-liner or short or medium. So we are going to categorize that in the next field or the input, I would say. So I will put the drop down again. So I will say in the name itself I will input length. In the options I will put one-liner, or there are different sets of options, for example short, medium, long. So these are the set of options that I want to include. And third thing I want to do is text area. So text area will be like this. So I want user to input if there is something you want to include, like what is your post all about. So there, for AI Instagram captions to work and to personalize it, you need a input from your user. So user can input like I have a selfie with my pug dog, I have a selfie with my wife, or I have a portrait with my family. So they can input that, and on the basis of that it will create a custom Instagram caption. So here I would say I will write the description only, description about your post. That's it. So there's the prompt area. So the prompt area is something which you input like while using your ChatGPT. So here what we are going to create, this is a simple prompt, but there are very customized prompts which you can access in the description box. So you will get 10,000 plus prompts you can use to create such tool in a breeze. So let me give you an example. So this is the prompt book. So you will get 10,000 plus prompts here you can use to create such tools for free. So you go to the link in the description, buy that. It's only cost you a fraction of the money, but you will get the return of investment in no time. So in this prompt area, I will just keep it as simple as that. Create 10, or I will say create 5 variations of Instagram captions. So first I am going to define the tone. So it should be included in the brackets like this. So it is a case sensitive. So if you have a tone written in the smaller case, then you have to input that the same in here. So first is create a 5 variation of Instagram caption in this tone about this post. So the post will be the description. The caption should be, so this will be the length, long. So this is something very basic part of the prompt. Now, as you know, this is based on the OpenAI and it will hallucinate, it will add extra stuff. So you need to optimize that into your prompt. For example, do include relevant hashtags, emojis in each variation. Don't write extra stuff. Don't suggest anything but the content. Don't bluff. Write only 5 variations that you haven't written before. That's it. So this is the 5 variation of Instagram caption in this tone about this post, and the caption should be in this particular length, and do include relevant hashtags, emojis in each variation. Don't write extra stuff or don't suggest anything about but the content. Don't bluff. Write only 5 variations that you haven't written before. So that's it. So just review each and everything and click on the save tool. So this is something which you have generated. Now you will get this particular shortcode and you need to input this particular shortcode in new page. So how to display that in the front end? Just copy this shortcode just like that. Click on the pages, add new pages. Here you need to type, and now if you're using a Gutenberg, you need to select this shortcut block and type this particular shortcut and click on publish. You can also add these or customize these permalinks or something like that. You can also customize these permalinks however you want. So there you go, click on the publish and open this. There you go. So you have got your AI based tool right here. So this is the casual tone, this is a witty tone. So let's try this out. So casual, one liner, yes, I want the one liner. So description is about, let's say if you click on this submit, so it will display the result just below it. There you go. Just me and my mug living our best life. So positively obsessed with my furry bestie. So that's it. So that's how you can create your own tool. So now there are endless possibilities you can do with the help of this. Okay, you can create a calculators, you can create anything related to your niche. As I've told you, there's a dog niche. We have created these tools all based on these particular AI, and you can also create, if you are a lawyer, you can create something about the law, and you can create a call to action after they have got the answers, such that you will get more leads. So there are endless possibilities you can do with the help of this particular tool. And if you have liked this, just let me know in the comment box if you have any suggestions. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.